टिप्स एंड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर आनी आयज हांव येवकार दिता तुमकां आमच्या पोरसान आमच्या गार्डनान. तर आयज आमी जावन करपाक आसा ह्या केम्याच्या स्टेमाची भाजी, कित्याक हेका कांय येवंक ना.
So we tried growing it in a grow bag 24 inch. This is a big banana plant 20 feet. So we tried it with coconut husk at the side and below. So the mud was very less, hence it has not given fruit. So we are going to cut it and make sabji out of the stem.
So let's make something out of this. Stay tuned. I have cut all the things, and the middle part, which is tender, that I am going to make vegetable in Goan style. So normal ingredients, onions, some tomatoes, some kokum and all that thing, some green chilies, or I have my Peri-Peri chilies I will add, and some coconut. So let's chop this and finely chop however you want, and put it in a salted turmeric water. So I will add turmeric powder in this and salt, and I will chop this and I will show you. Here it is. I have chopped this way. It looks like onion, and I'm going to add little bit of ivy gourd, that is Tendli, because I got it from our tree and I just wanted to add it. So if you don't have Tendli, that is ivy gourd, then it's fine. Then I've taken one big onion and one tomato, and this is around 2 tablespoons of coconut, and a few peri-peri chilies I will be adding, and our Goan Xacuti masala, little bit of turmeric powder and coriander powder, cumin seed. So let's start, and our Hing powder also. So now let's add 1 tablespoon of oil to saute this and do our Goan style banana stem bhaji. When I was small, grandmother used to make, I ate, but after that I never again ate. So as we have grown bananas in bigger quantity in our home, so we get lot of leaves and this stem and all. So every plant has got something we can eat out of it, very good for health also. Now we'll add our cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon. Onions and tomato, and fry it. Add our Hing. Have you ever tried banana stem? And banana stems, only the last part, which is the tender part, that you have to use. It's same like how of banana flowers. So here also the stems looks big, but when you go inside, and inside the softest part, that part we have to use to make vegetable. It's called Pith, P-I-T-H. So So I'm adding my homegrown peri-peri bird eye chilies. So I'm adding 4. It's very spicy, but you can add accordingly, or you can add normal. Green chili. Now we will add our masala. Turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, cumin seeds again I will add powder 1/4 teaspoon. Red chili powder 1/4 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Now we'll add our banana stem and our Tendlis. And mix this. Left coconut and cook this till it is nicely cooked. Cover and we'll cook this. I have not added any water in this, so I just want to check. I think so within its water, whatever is there, it will get cooked. And here is our vegetable ready. I see you don't need to add any water. It gets cooked in its own. See, if you grow bananas, if you have space or little space also, try to grow bananas, and every part of banana is very healthy and it's edible too. And in Goa and in villages, we don't leave anything. So hope you all will enjoy this vegetable. And crunchy, tasty. Try this recipe and enjoy. Thank you. मानता तुमकां ही सगळ्यांक आवडटली आनी तुमी करून खातली आनी एन्जॉय करतली. देव बरें करूं. Add now 1 teaspoon of our Goan Xacuti masala powder, and it's done. is last you have to add for the flavor. Cover for 3 minutes.
And here it is ready, most tasty Goan Banana Stem Stir-Fry. Thank you.